So this is tour of room 8006. We are celebrating a birthday. It's Jordan's birthday. I just apologize for not doing this tour the day that we got on board, but there was a lot going on. Just didn't have time. But they just came to clean our room, so I figured I'd give you the tour now. This is an amazing room. So much freaking space. You'll see what I mean. Check it out. So as you walk in, you have the closets here. Normal closets. There's the safe. And then there's the other closet, second closet here, with some shelving in it. And, okay, this is the piece of resistance, okay? Book this as just a normal ocean view, no veranda, just ocean view room. Look at this space. Wow. Check this out. We're on the front corner of the ship, like the front port side forward corner of the ship. They just came in. We're Marvel Day at Sea, so they just came in. That's Thor's hammer right there. But we just, it's the evening time, so they wind us down. They got the bed ready. That is also a couch during the day. But this is it, man. This is so much room. You like the Tony Stark? All right. Anyway, Marvel Day at Sea, right? Anyway, so we have the normal stores that you always get, I feel like, in every Disney ship, right? Over here, we have a regular outlet, two 110-volt, one 220. There are no USB outlets over here on the vanity. No USB outlets. TV's here. The fridge is right down here. Then we have some storage over here. For outlet ports on the bed, we have 110 and 220 on this side. And on the other side, there's actually no power outlets on this side. So there's a total of 3 110 power outlets in this room. If you don't have these are very, very helpful, especially for a Disney cruise where we're charging magic bands. I've got 2 of these. I've got one plugged in here and one over by the nightstand. And we charge our magic bands here at night with the USB ports, and then we can still have 3 additional ports to charge more stuff there. But yeah, this is the room. Over here, coming back this way, is the split bathroom. So let me turn the lights on. We have the toilet here. Nice size. And you know the great thing about Disney ships, they always smell good. And we have the shower here. We went swimming earlier today, so the girls are drying off their swimsuits. There we go. And you know, this is pretty standard for a Disney ship, right? The split bathroom and stuff. But that's it. This is an amazing room. We walked into this room and we were like flabbergasted by how much space we had in here. It's amazing. We were expecting to walk into a regular sized room and, you know, be kind of cramped as we normally are. But there is so much space in here. So much so that usually when we're on a cruise, we will unpack our suitcase and we'll make sure we hang up everything in there just so our suitcase is in the way. But this cruise, we were like, you know what? Screw it. We've got the space. Let's throw it on the ground. And we still have all the space over here. Now, another interesting thing about this room is the slanted window. So the slanted porthole. Here, like I said, it's a Marvel Day at Sea, so we have a sticker, but we have a slanted porthole, which is kind of cool, kind of interesting. Yeah, but this is a great room, and I highly suggest you book it if you see it available, because it's a lot of space. And that is the room tour for room 8006 on the Disney Dream. Great room, so much space, right? If you want to check out more of our stuff on the Dream, go ahead over to the channel. And pretty soon, the vlogs for this trip are going to be up there. Marvel Day at Sea, just lots of fun. All right, so go ahead over there, check it out. And if you haven't already, go ahead and make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you guys next time.